Investing in property can be an exciting and lucrative endeavor. Real estate investment strategies can vary, and each comes with its own associated risks. As with all investment opportunities, you should carefully consider everything there is to know about this asset class before including it in your portfolio. Whether you're a first-time investor or an experienced real estate guru, you'll need to consider these property investment factors each time. Investing in real estate should be about building wealth and safeguarding your financial future. However, there is a popular assumption that investing in property always yields good returns. Although this is true most of the time, it isn't always the case. In today's video, we will be showing you things you should know before investing in property. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Right property at the right price. Picking a property that's much more likely to appreciate in value is the most essential decision you will make when investing in real estate. Therefore, buying at the appropriate price is crucial. Unlike stocks, where the worth of a corporation is clear, property investment is more challenging to price. Nonetheless, if you are persistent and informed, you may be able to purchase an asset for less than its true market value. The key for you is to do your homework. Figure out what all is going for within the region, and you'll soon find that you've gotten very good at calculating how much a property is worth, and you'll recognize a good deal when you see one. If you discover a home you want but are concerned about its true worth, we recommend contacting a lender to arrange for an independent evaluation on behalf of a bank. Once you have this information, you may typically use it as a negotiation tactic. You probably aren't aware, but lenders and mortgage insurers have vital information about various regions and property developments, which you should strive to obtain to help you avoid purchasing the wrong investment property. Number 2. Do your calculations. Property investing is a proven way to long-term prosperity, but you must view it as a medium to longer-term investment, so be sure you can afford to keep up with your mortgage payments in the long run. You will not want to sell your investment property unless you are ready, and if you are experiencing financial difficulties, you may be forced to sell the property at an inopportune moment. It may be quite affordable to retain an investment property and service the loan after you have it. It's because you receive rent and may deduct many of the costs of owning a home from your taxes. Also, keep in mind that rents tend to rise in tandem with your own income, so anticipate things to grow simpler over time. Make sure you're aware of the taxes that come with real estate investment and factor them into your calculations. Your accountant's advice is critical in this regard, as things might alter over time. Stamp duty, capital gains tax, and land tax must all be considered. Remember that interest rates fluctuate over time. However, the best part for homeowners is that you can usually anticipate raising the rent when interest rates rise. Number 3. Hire a property manager. A property manager is often a licensed real estate agent who is an expert in their sector, and their goal is to keep stuff in order for both you and your renter. They can provide you with continuing guidance, assist you in managing your tenants, and ensure that you get the most out of your property. A smart agent will tell you when and when not to review rents. The property manager will be able to advise you on property law, as well as your own and the tenant's rights and duties. The property manager would also assist you in locating the ideal renter, conducting background checks, and ensuring that they pay their rent every month. It's also important that you don't interfere much with renters, as they have legal rights, and you should always respect them. You should, however, consider conducting inspections of your property on a frequent basis to ensure that your investment is being well cared for. But always do so through your agent and with plenty of notice. Number 4. Study the market. Real estate markets frequently operate in a microcosm, with rates on one side of a street, for example, slightly higher than on the other. When it comes to maximizing profits, every small advantage helps, which is why it's critical to thoroughly research your rental market before making a purchase. Although research may be done online, local expertise is difficult to overcome. Go through 5 signs of a good long-term investment property for more tips. Number 5. Choose the ideal mortgage. When it comes to purchasing a home, there is a range of mortgage and finance alternatives accessible. It's not always as simple as choosing the lowest model, because the way the financing is handled might affect tax deductions. Consider all of your alternatives and your personal circumstances to get the finest long-term financing offer for your investment. Number 6. Use the equity from other properties. Leveraging the value of your current properties might be an excellent strategy to fund additional investments if you already own them. If you own a $500,000 home with just $100,000 left on your mortgage, you have $400,000 in equity. Leveraging a current property also allows you to leverage it against an investment property later on, and it may have tax advantages. Read how to use equity to purchase an investment property. Number 7. Negative gearing. If the cost of an investment exceeds the revenue it generates, negative gearing can provide tax benefits to property investors. You can deduct your property loan and maintenance expenditures from your overall income under Australian legislation. But you can only obtain a tax break if you have other taxable income. So even if you are losing money on the property, the benefit is that the loss may be utilized to decrease the amount of tax you pay under other profits. However, don't acquire an investment property just for the purpose of claiming a tax benefit. Number 8. Think long-term. Real estate is a long-term investment, so do not expect property prices to go up immediately. The longer you can afford to devote to your home, the better, and as you accumulate wealth, you may consider acquiring a second investment property. Just don't become greedy and strike the perfect balance between financial security and the capacity to enjoy life. Financial stability is critical, but life is more than just math. Purchasing an investment property may be a rewarding endeavor. There are countless examples of people who have made big gains in profits by investing in real estate. However, it may also be a very hazardous way to invest your money. Irrespective of the size or kind of property, your investment strategy will almost probably necessitate a significant initial and continuous investment. As a result, it's critical to exercise extra caution while investing in real estate in order to reduce your risks while safeguarding your hard-earned wealth. Finally, unlike stocks or managed funds, you won't be able to sell a portion of an investment property if you ever need cash. In summary, be careful, but keep in mind that high levels of migration and rental property scarcity are important variables that favor property investment. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.